Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. Indonesia volcano erupts, belching ash 10 kilometers into sky. A volcano erupted overnight on an Indonesian island, authorities said on Wednesday, spewing a massive ash column into the sky as the highest alert level was declared. Mount Livotobulaki on Flores Island erupted late on Tuesday and again at 1:35 am, sending volcano material 10 kilometers above its 1584 meters high peak, the National Volcanology Agency said in a statement. There was no immediate word of casualties or damage, but authorities warned residents and tourists on the eastern Indonesian island to keep away from the area, preparing for possible evacuations. Geology agency head said it had raised the volcano alert level to the highest late Tuesday after detecting an increase in deep quakes that often precede an explosive eruption. He said the towering column of ash from the eruption could disrupt operations and flight paths if it spreads further. Authorities have already suspended operations at a local airport in the town of Momre, some 60 kilometers west of Livotobi, the airport said on Instagram. The Geology Agency said residents near rivers should also remain on alert for hazardous flood of volcanic material known as lahar if heavy rainfalls occur. In July, the same volcano spewed a colossal 18-kilometer tower of ash, forcing the cancellation of 24 flights at the international airport on the resort island of Bali. Indonesia, a vast archipelago nation, is situated at the Pacific Ring of Fire, an arc of intense and frequent seismic activity stretching from Japan through Southeast Asia and across the Pacific Basin. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.